Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of digital banking, focusing on Diffie and how it stacks up against its competitors. First up, let's break down the features offered by Diffie compared to other digital banks. We'll look at what services you can utilize for your financial needs. User experience is crucial for any digital bank. Let's explore how intuitive the Diffie interface is compared to others on the market. Analyzing fees is important. Here's how Diffie's cost structure compares to its rivals in the digital banking landscape. Opening an account can vary by bank. Let's go through the setup process for Diffie and see how it measures up to others. Support can make or break your banking experience. Here's how Diffie's customer service availability checks out against its competition. Security is paramount in digital banking. Let's evaluate how Diffie protects your financial data compared to other institutions. A strong mobile app can enhance your banking experience. We're comparing the app functionalities of Diffie with other banks. What do customers say? Let's analyze user feedback on Diffie against other digital banking options. So, is Diffie the right choice for you? We've compared features, fees, and user experiences. Make an informed decision.